Traffic e-challans. Here's how to pay your traffic fines or challans online. With the implementation of the new Motor Vehicles Act earlier this month, the vehicle owners are not only rushing to get their documents renewed or get the Pollution Under Control (PUC) certification, they are also looking for official ways to store their documents online to show it to the traffic police or ways to pay their traffic challan online. In this article, we will talk about how you can pay your traffic e-challan online or track the status of your challan. It is important to note here that different cities and states have different websites for paying traffic e-challans online. The Government of India's Ministry of Road Transport and Highways also has a website that works nationwide and allows the citizens to pay their traffic e-challans online. We can't describe the process for every single website here, however it is quite similar for respectively state or city traffic challan payment websites. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways website, paying traffic e-challan. Starting with Ministry of Road Transport and Highways e-challan website, it can be accessed at https://echallan.parivan.gov.in/index/. Interestingly, during our usage, it didn't work properly on Google Chrome, so if you have issues with Chrome, try another browser. Once e-challan website is open, go to check challan status. This page will offer three options to check the challan status: using challan number, using vehicle number, or using driving license number. If a valid e-challan is found, the website will list the challan below and give an option for payment. When you click Pay Now, the website may redirect you to your state website to finish the payment. You can use your credit, debit card or internet banking to pay an e-challan. You can also verify previously made payments. Paytm, paying traffic e-challans. Second option to pay traffic challans online is Paytm, and the platform's app and website support Andhra Pradesh, Chennai, Faridabad, Maharashtra, and Telangana e-challans. To pay traffic e-challans for these cities or states, open the e-challan payment page on Paytm, either app or website. Paytm will now give you the option to select your relevant e-challan authority. Select the authority. It will then ask you to enter challan number or vehicle number, or a driving license number to look for valid e-challans. If it finds an e-challan, it will list the details and give the option to complete the payment. Paytm e-challan payment option can be found on its website or app. If the e-challan payment option for you is not available on either of the website above, search for the e-challan payment website for your state or city, if you live in one of the Tier 1 cities. Here are the links for some of the most populous states in India: Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, and Rajasthan. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.